Davao City Mayor and presidential daughter Sara Duterte is the top choice of Filipinos as the next president of the country. That's according to the March 20 to 29, 2021 survey of PUBLiCUS Asia Incorporated. Mayor Sara got a rating of 16.7%. Not far behind is Manila Mayor Isko Moreno with a rating of 14.7%. Former Senator Bongbong Marcos is third in rank with 13.6% rating, while Senator Manny Pacquiao got 12.8%. Landing in the fifth place is Vice President Leni Robredo with 9.3%. The survey also revealed these politicos have the support of Filipino voters because they are in the top 10. The presidency can also be an option for Congressman Alan Peter Cayetano and Senators Win Gatchalian and Ping Lacson. Also listed in the survey are Senator Dick Gordon, Congressman Joey Salceda, and Senator Sonny Angara. The survey also listed a 0.1% rating for former Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, Senator Amy Marcos, and Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.